What's up, guys? Mike with NRG Creativ. Seadoo mounts. Listen, I'm out here on the water today. It is really windy and it's kind of rough. But anyway, I was thinking, I'm like, something's just not right with some of these guys that make these mounts, the hobby guys that make these mounts. And it hit me. It was right in front of my face. Why? You know, because I see these guys making some really flimsy mounts and like, doesn't make sense, does it? So I figured it out, and if you will give me 5 minutes of your time, I'm going to show you why NRG Creativ mounts are the ones to get. So let's just get right to it. Now this is what you're going to see from them, and of course this is a little not really apples to apples comparison because it's rough out here. You see them going on lakes and rivers. We're out in the Gulf of America, and check this out. I'm going to try and simulate what they do first. All right, so you see that? That's really what you get. You don't even get that because, like I said, it's a little rougher out here today. But that's what you get from these guys on smooth lake water and rivers. And it's just them doing straight. Check out what we do. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Hoping it didn't take up too much of your time, but I wanted to show you guys. That's the rear mount, the side mount, and the front mount. See if you see videos, if they shoot videos of their mounts, see if you see anything like that. But like I said, all I've seen online are these guys, straight line, smooth water, rivers, lakes, nothing like this. Who are you going to buy from? There you go. So these guys don't test these mounts like I do, guys. They don't have all the years experience that I have. Buy the one true original, fully tested mount. And if you noticed on all those, no tether. Not on any one of these mounts, guys. Talk to you next time.